Kevin,
All right.
need you to come do my toes, baby.
Yeah, what can I do for you today, Shaq?
A little grinding, a little clipping.
Oh,
Okay,
my
let me
God.
see.
Oh, come on, man.
Nah, that's too big. I got the perfect thing, right?
Oh, yeah.
Get you ready for Houston.
Yeah, you know.
All right, you ready?
Oh,
Here we go.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, right there. Ooh, right there. Oh, yeah. A little more. Don't take it off. Don't take it off. Keep it there. And stop. Oh, and stop. Stop. Stop.
How's that?
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you. That's really good. Thank you.
Oh, my.
Thanks, Kevin.
Kevin, you're supposed to wear real goggles when you got those sparks.
Thanks,
We get Kevin a mask?
First,
Neither one of them had a mask on.
Got my stuff looking good.
hey, first of all, that actually look better than his real feet.
Actually, it does.
It does.
Got my stuff looking good.